Exploring the fascinating world of monkeys. Incredible facts. Monkeys, with their playful antics and remarkable intelligence, captivate us like few other creatures. But beyond their endearing appearances lies a world filled with astonishing facts and captivating behaviours. Let's embark on a journey to uncover some of the most incredible facts about monkeys, deepening our appreciation for these remarkable animals. Diverse species. Did you know there are over 260 species of monkeys worldwide? From the tiny pygmy marmoset to the colourful mandrill, their diversity is astonishing. Social butterflies. Monkeys are highly social, living in groups called troops or bands. Within these groups, they engage in complex social interactions and exhibit altruistic behaviours like grooming. Tool users. Some monkey species, like capuchins and macaques, use tools in the wild. This ability showcases their cognitive prowess and adaptability. Communication masters. Monkeys communicate through vocalizations, facial expressions, and body language. Some species even have distinct vocal dialects. Intelligent problem solvers. Monkeys demonstrate remarkable problem-solving skills and adaptability, similar to humans. This highlights the importance of preserving their habitats. Cultural traditions. Certain monkey populations exhibit cultural traditions passed down through generations, providing insights into their complex societies. Ecosystem engineers. Monkeys play a crucial role in their ecosystems as seed dispersers, aiding in the maintenance of plant diversity. In conclusion, the world of monkeys is diverse and captivating. Understanding their behaviours fosters appreciation and awareness for conservation efforts. So, the next time you encounter a monkey, take a moment to marvel at the wonders of nature they represent.